Do you want to run a cleaning service provider business? It is a good initiative. But to run this kind of business successfully, you must follow some beneficial ways and strategies. First of all, you need to maintain an online platform like a WordPress website. From the website, a customer can know all details about the services, prices, available time and date, etc. Most importantly, your website needs to provide a way of booking schedule for specific services. To do all this, you can follow one smart way of adding a plugin to your website that can allow you to provide almost all kinds of features and scheduling flexibilities. Let's discuss some advantages of using a suitable plugin that might be very much helpful to enrich your business. With the help of a perfect plugin on your website, you can provide a single or multi-step form anywhere and edit the fields and form types from the plugin's backend. A booking preview can be shown with total price, subtotal, and total discount based on the information from customer's reservation. You can enable and disable this booking summary for your customers. You can customize the form's fields and types according to your services. An entirely dynamic and adaptable form will be available on your website. Based on the details of your reservation, you can view a real-time calculation. Booking list filter, search, and sorting are available for your convenience. You can provide an easy and less time-consuming booking process for your customers. You can show all available slots for your services, so the customers can pick any time and date among the available ones. All these advantages will help you to grab more and more customers for booking your services that can grow your business largely. Let's show you how you can use and access a plugin in your website. Select a suitable plugin. As a user, I am using Cleanly as it provides so many features. Grab the plugin and install it in your admin dashboard. After completing all the activation process, you will get a perfect control panel. Click on the Cleanly Booking tab and you can see all the functions here. In all bookings, here is the list of bookings and booking details. Go for settings to create a single or multi-step form for your customers. Select a page and position to show the form. Like here I am choosing the Booking Now page to display the single form and setting the position No Content Only form. Now save all changes and let's look for the front section. Here you can see the Booking Now page and the single form with multiple fields. All these fields and form types can be customized. To make a booking, a customer needs to select the required options of these fields. Like as a customer, you need to choose your type of cleaning. Here, I am picking one. Then selecting for how often would you like cleaning. Now, I have to select the types and number of places that I want to clean up. If you need some extra cleansing for other things like oven, fridge, etc., you can pick from here, otherwise leave it blank. You can fill this section if you have any extra requirements. Then choose a date and time on which you want to have the cleaning service. Now it is time to fill up the personal data. After scheduling for a cleaning booking service, you need to provide your personal data like first name, last name, email, phone number, etc. Check the box for terms and conditions. Before confirming the booking, you can go through the booking summary. You can see the total cost, VAT and tax, and discount from the booking summary. If everything is okay, then click on Confirm Booking. This is the whole process of confirming a booking. Your customer can recheck all required information and other details from the customer's dashboard. So, book a schedule in the easiest way by using a cleaning service booking plugin and make your business more popular for your customers.